Howdy team. I'm so glad you're here. You're at the beach. No, not really. We're not at the beach today, but what we're going to do is we're going to get ready for Access. And so I want to take you for a walk through this course. I call this the Getting Started video. So let's get started. Here we are in Blackboard. I wanted you to know that every time you log into the course, it should say ITSW 2337. I have a tendency to change the picture, so don't be surprised if that changes. Over here on the left, Getting Started, that's where this video will be posted. And next comes Instructor and Course Info. Here is a little bit about myself and my family. Right here you'll see us. We're a big lot. There's 16 college degrees there. Everything from an associate's degree all the way up to a couple of doctorates and some masters. We've got bachelors. We have teaching certificates. You name it, we've done it. The Davis family and the Lewis family likes to share their academics. And we also have a walk around to Office 365. If you'll just click these links below, they'll show you through a PowerPoint and audio how to get your free Office 365 using your South Plains email account. Finally, there's also the virtual desktop. Some students have computer challenges, or you may be traveling and not have a computer with the necessary software, which for this class is Office 365 Access or Office Professional 2016 Access. So you can literally click this link, sign up for the VMware using, again, your South Plains email, and the cool thing is you can access your South Plains desktop and therefore be able to use the software that's available there. So check that out if you need it, and let's go on and move down the list. Next on the list is the course syllabus. The syllabus has been printed here in a document. You can download it and save it or print it. And it tells you the basic requirements of the course. There are no course prerequisites, but it's a good idea if you've taken BCIS before. It'll give you a foundation to start on. The materials we were using this semester are called the Go Series Access, and I wanted you to get to see that. It's actually a bundle. It has an e-card and the book. If you prefer, you can go through the class and buy just the e-card and the book, e-book. If you choose to buy it at the school bookstore, it looks like this. It's wrapped in plastic. It has a card, and it has the entire Access book. I find this textbook really supportive and very visual, and I hope you'll like it too. Some of the other things I suggest are a pen drive. Access files are huge, and they're also an interactive file, so some computer softwares, virus software protections will definitely block it, and you'll have to determine if that works or not, or allow that or not. So you're going to want a pen drive or a thumb drive and be able to save that. And there are simulated trainings in this course, so you may want headphones or earbuds. Attendance is you participating in the class every week. As long as you participate every week and turn in your assignments, you have met the need for attendance. Each week we'll have a chapter to read, a simulated activity, and a grader project. And we're going to get more into those in a minute. And then we'll also have some quizzes. The quizzes are just directed towards vocabulary in the book. So again, that's why I like to have the hands-on book for this class, but you can get by with the ebook if you prefer. These are the SCAN competencies and expectations of the class, and of course you can read that on your download of your syllabus. We'll have a course schedule here. It'll just be week by week and module by module, and here's our learning modules. This is where you'll click to see your assignment. You'll click on module 1 and it'll tell you the activities you need to do for module 1. Our weeks will go, I believe this class is going to be Wednesday to Wednesday, and starting this first Wednesday, everything will be available and you'll know where to go. Your discussion board is a place you need to come. You can ask questions here, or you can text me or call me with your questions. And right here is where you're going to click in and introduce yourself. You click on the title, And here we already have a student ready to go. You create your thread, you write 100 words to your teammates, you make sure you sign your name, and then you come over here to the bottom right and click submit. Next is our My IT Lab. My IT Lab is the jump off to the Go book that you purchased for this class. I suggest going in under course content. You can go either way. There is no calendar active in this. You'll under course schedule have your plan for taking those assignments. But I did want to make you see real quick, here's the ebook and here's chapter 1. Under chapter 1 you have student resources. Always look at the resources. Here's your book, here's videos to help you with the homework, and these PowerPoints are actually the textbook abbreviated and read to you. They're a great resource, especially for those quizzes. Here are the assignment activities. You'll have 3 activities each week. A simulated activity where you click in and pretend to do the software in a virtual environment. You can redo this till you earn 100. A quiz activity where you'll have just 10 questions, and those questions are geared for the Microsoft Office certification exam. So you'll be asked multiple choice questions, an access view that displays data in rows similar to the format of an Excel worksheet would be a data sheet. So you would click that and then click the next question. And I want to take you on back here to the assignment activities. After you do the quiz, I would do the reading first, then the sim, then the quiz, then the last is a grader activity. The grader activity you'll click on and you'll download not only a project, but you'll also download instructions. You can see how this project has 4 files. I can download all files to my computer, and they're right over here to the left. I happen to be using Google Chrome. I suggest Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. I want to copy all 4 of these files. I want to save them on my computer. Maybe you're going to save on your desktop. Maybe you're going to save on a pen drive, but you want to keep all these files together. So this is chapter 1. And I'm going to click in there, and I'm going to paste all my files in here. Here's my instruction sheet, and that's going to walk me through the assignment. And then obviously the access file is the file I want to build my homework in. It's really important that you go ahead and enable content, because access has to be enabled, and we do need to say that we trust this document because it's from our textbook. And this time I'm going to go File, Save As. I'm going to take the purple icon right back in to that File, Save As, and I want to go to my desktop and to access chapter 1, and I'm going to replace the student word right here with my last name, so I know that that's the file I'm working on. Once I'm done with, and of course I'll enable content. Once I've followed the instructions and save that, then I'm going to come back here and log back into my IT lab. Don't stay logged in the whole time. I'm going to click on number 3. I'm going to go to my desktop into that access file where we made that Lewis account, and I'm going to go upload. Once it goes upload, it says, "This, you are successful, but we're not done yet. Make sure to click submit for grading," and then you should get this file of kudos. Your file has been submitted for grading, and you'll get a grade in right back here. It's not going to give us a good grade because we just turned in an empty file. So that's what you're going to do each week. I hope you'll reach out to me. My information is right here. You can email me or text me or call me. I much prefer text because it's so much faster, and I know you're going to have a great semester. Let's get started this first week and get her done.